Hi, this is Lauren Cotton with the Licata Group, Keller Williams Capital Properties. Today I'm going to give you a tour of 101 Chesterfield Court, located in Lake of the Woods, Virginia. This new home was built just last year, offers 3,100 finished square feet, and features 5 bedrooms and 3.5 baths. As you can see from the front entrance of the home, lots of stone accents, gorgeous front porch, beautiful landscaping, and a side-load 2-car garage. I'm going to just walk up to the front. You can see all the detail of the stone. Gorgeous front entrance. Lots of room for chairs. I'm going to walk into the front door. And you're going to be amazed with all the features of this home right from the front entrance. So as we enter the front of the home, you can see there's a formal living room here. You can see all the attention to detail from the floors to the ceilings. You can see the beautiful hardwood floors. Even the railings on the stairs have been upgraded. To your right would be your formal dining room. I'm just going to open this door. Right now they are using it as extra living space, the child's playroom. But you can see the light is there. If you wanted to use it as a formal dining, you could. Lots of light coming into this home. There's a half bath right here. Coat closet. We're going to walk right into the living room. Lots of updates throughout this home, lots of big windows. We're going to look right into the kitchen. Don't you love this kitchen? Upgraded cabinets, granite, updated appliances. There's a pantry here, just so you can see how big it is. That door there leads out to the 2-car garage, and this swings back around to that dining room that they're using as a playroom right now. Super cute, right? So we're going to come back around and just walk back through the kitchen. You can kind of see it at this angle. Completely updated. Lots of cabinets. You have the nice deck there off of the kitchen. Now we're going to walk back through the living room and head upstairs to where 4 of the bedrooms are located. All right, so we're going to head upstairs. So you can see all of the railing has been upgraded. It's gorgeous. Lots of light coming in through the windows. We're going to walk into bedroom number 2. Lots of light. It's a nice sized closet. I'm going to walk back around. This is bedroom number 3. Again, really good sized rooms in this home. I love the windows. There's so much natural light coming in. This is going to be your 4th bedroom. Again, nice sized bedrooms. Now we're going to walk. Well, before we go into the master bedroom, just let me show you, this is where your laundry is. So laundry is nice and big and on the same level as the bedrooms. Now we're going to walk into this gorgeous master bedroom. The master bath features a barn door. You can see the tray ceilings. Again, lots of light. I'm gonna walk into that master bath. Let me back up so you can get a good picture of the barn door. And you can see, so when you walk into this gorgeous master bath, on the right-hand side, you'll see some built-in cabinets, the double vanity. There is a walk-in closet here. Nice size walk-in closet there. The double vanities. Nice size soaking tub. And then the shower. You can see all the attention to detail with the tile work. This is a gorgeous bathroom. So we're going to walk back around, closet on the right, back into the master bedroom. We're going to walk through, there's one more walk-in closet here. Just to give you an idea of how big that closet is. Nice big closet. There's even a window in there too. So you have natural light even coming into the closet. All right. I just want to peek in real quick to the full bath that is up here. Shower, sink. All right, so now we're going to head downstairs to the basement. We're going to walk through the main level living room to go down to the basement. All right. So once you get down here, you'll see there is so much potential down here. So the first thing you see when you come down is this large living area. It's a walkout basement. Fully finished, can be used as a living area, media room. Lots of space down here. We're going to come back around. So the bottom of the stairs, if you were to go right, here's an additional bedroom, nice size window. There's a closet. I'm gonna walk into that bathroom. This is a full bathroom. And then this room would make a perfect theater room. No windows, so no glare on the TV. All right. Thank you so much for touring 101 Chesterfield Court with me today. If you have any questions about this home, please give us a call.